me move this out of the way. Anybody want to see you right now? Come on, you in the way.
Hey, oh, it's your girl. It's time for another video, Like, comment, share, sub for other videos.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today I'm bringing you another makeup video, okay? So today we'll be creating this look, like, yeah, I call it the halo cut crease. I don't know, I've been so inspired and I just decided to, you know, go in my creative box a little bit, okay? I didn't show the lip portion, so for the lips I use the lip crayon. I use a lip crayon and then I use my brow pencil. I did the side with the brow pencil and then the lip crayon in the middle. So yeah, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Let me apologize in advance. I normally film in the nighttime and this was daytime, so my lighting is off. So yeah, so we ain't wasting no time. As you can see, the brows are already done and I'm just putting some tape down so that we can have sharp edges. All right, so now I'm using my P. Louise base in Rumor number 2 and I'm just basing my eyelids and buffing it out with that. Now I'm going to be using my favorite palette, which is a Profusion Cosmetics Festival palette, and we're going to be playing with those browns today. So the first brown we'll be taking is that warm brown right there, and I'm just going to be, so I'm just using my Morphe M506 to place that in the inner corner and my outer corner of my eyes, right? Just be careful while placing this because we're going to leave a space in the middle, but you can correct it if you go a little bit overboard. So now we're going to be taking those 2 shades right there, and I'm going to be buffing out the edges of that, bringing it up closer to the brow bone area. All right, I'm using a slightly fluffier brush to apply these colors. Okay, now we're going to be going in with a mixture of these 2, the darkest brown and that black. I'm placing the darkest brown first just to see the placement, and then we're going to be mixing both the black and the brown to deepen it because we want depth, okay? And then, as you know, we go back and forth between brushes, all right, making sure we have smooth blend. So now I'm taking whatever that's left on my brush. This is a concealer buffing brush, and I am just creating my gap. Now I'm using a pigment, a neon pigment from Louis Diamond Factor. That's her name on Instagram, and I am just placing that right in the middle, and I'm buffing it out with another neon pink. When I bought these pigments from her, they had no name, so I'm not sure she have a name for it right now. So now that we have our blends, or 3 blends in our crease, now we're time to cut our crease. You know, your girl love cutting her crease, so I'm just doing a little elongated cut crease, like a feline looking type one, and I'm buffing it out. I'm using the same P. Louise to cut my crease. All right, now I'm taking that nude color, and this is what I'll be placing on my lid, right? And I'm putting it all over my lid because we're gonna be doing a wing liner as usual. So I'm just taking a definer brush, just a really fine brush, and I'm placing some more black because we want to be defined. So I'm just placing black on either corner, and I'm doing my happy dance because I'm liking it so far. Now I'm taking these 2 neon colors. These are the exact 2 pigments that I mixed and used to create that middle color on my transition area. All right, so I'm creating a ring liner with those 2 because I mixed them both. All right, as I said, my creativity juices were flowing, so yeah. As you can see, my wing stopped right in the center, right there, and I'm using the same pigments to set it because these crack, but I still work with them. All right. So now I'm going back in with that medium brown, that warm brown, and I am placing that on my lower lash line because as you see my face is already done. I did all that off camera and I'll be applying my lashes off camera as well. All right, so now I'm going to be taking that other color, it's like a taupish shade, and I'm placing that right underneath. I'm buffing it out, buffing the warm brown shade out with that color. Now, whatever that was left on the little palette that I used to create my wing liner, it dried down a little bit. So I'm just putting that on my waterline, all right? You can use paint and liquid liner and stuff like that on your waterline. Just make sure it dry down a little bit because you don't want it too runny so that it goes into your eye. And that's me creating like a foxy eye type look, right? I'm just giving my inner corner an elongated look, all right? Me doing my dance again because it's coming together how I like it. So this is the end of my look. I hope you guys liked it. I like creating these looks, trust me. To be honest, this look turned out even better than what I expected. That elongated inner corner, I wasn't intending on doing that, but I did it at the last minute and it's beautiful. Trust me, it's beautiful. And I used the same color on my cheekbones. As you can see, I have blush. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and until next